The tests we've described so far don't distinguish between different variants, so another tool is needed called genomic sequencing, which looks at the genetic code of the virus.
Like other coronaviruses, the genome of COVID-19 is composed of single-stranded RNA, as shown in this diagram. The virus's genetic code contains around 29,000 nucleotides. It is changes in the sequence of the nucleotides which cause new variants to be produced. Genomic sequencing is the method of identifying each nucleotide of the virus's genome and placing them in the right order so variants can be identified. Here you can see the sequence of viral genetic code obtained from swab samples from over 14 people. The sequences are stacked, so as you look down the panel, you can see the changes in genetic code. Scientists are interested in studying these variants to understand what makes them different, whether they spread more easily, cause more serious disease, and whether our vaccines are still effective against them.
So to summarise, testing to find out who currently has the virus, whether by PCR or by antigen lateral flow tests, ensures that infected people can be identified and isolate to stop the spread of the virus to others. Antibody testing is used to find out who has had the virus in the past, and it can be carried out by ELISA or lateral flow tests. Antibody testing gives important information on how the virus has spread and how many people have been infected, perhaps even without knowing they've had it. And finally, genomic sequencing to test for variants gives us the power to keep on top of the virus as it changes and ensures that our vaccines will continue to protect us.
Laboratory testing has been at the heart of the fight to control the COVID-19 pandemic. Testing has been on the front line to inform government and health workers how fast the disease is spreading and help them to make important decisions around lockdown and when to ease restrictions. Throughout the COVID-19 pandemic, several thousand health workers have and continue to support those critically ill in hospital. And several thousand laboratory scientists working alongside other professions such as programmers, logistics and human resources have worked tirelessly to support the testing and vaccine developments. A few of these people are shown on this slide. Many more thousands of people support our hospitals and laboratories to keep such important testing going, and together we are winning the battle against this disease.
Thank you for listening to this talk, and we hope you found it interesting. Please check out our website for more COVID-related information.